Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2015 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide Ultra. This thing is beautiful. Nice tall windshield, all the chrome on here looks really nice. We have dual disc braking up in the front, and I believe this model has ABS. We will double check. We have the Screamin' Eagle intake. We also have the 110 cubic inch engine. Rider and passenger floorboards, Vance & Hines exhaust. We have lights in the saddlebags and in the tour pack. Luggage rack up top. Really nice speakers for the passenger. We also have a rider backrest. Heel toe shifter, highway pegs that are on the engine guards, which are front and rear. And yes, this bike does have ABS. Beautiful motorcycle. Again, 2015 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide Ultra. Come check this thing out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.